Assalamu alaikum. May peace, mercy, and blessing be on all of you. This is Milon Ahmmed. Today I'm gonna talk about some applications. That application I'm practicing every day. In the perspective of Bangladeshi people, it's very difficult to get a speaking partner for practicing. So that's why I have to come up with new applications that is very important for practicing. I hope this video is gonna be an interesting video and important for those who want to learn speaking. So that's why don't miss every single second. Just watch first to last. This is a Bangladeshi application. That application made by a Bangladeshi guy. His name is Rashid. So this application, I think this is an incredible application that you can use to improve your English, to speak with Bangladeshi guys. I have started my journey in this application few weeks ago, and I was practicing long time, and most of the cases I'm getting Bangladeshi guys and they're speaking much more well. So this application, I think it's gonna be for you very much important. So everyone should use and should explore this application and every feature that even this application right now under developing. So that's why this application will come up with the new features like chatting, like some new features. So that's why it could be very important. So I think everyone should explore. Even I have practicing this application 3 weeks ago that I mentioned earlier. So that's why even in this weekly results I'm getting 78 position after practicing in this week. Whenever my student Abid joined here, that time his ranking was 5000 plus. I think this application extremely useful and helpful for everyone because who can see his level or his ranking, that how much improvement he is getting every day. If I talk about this application one by one, first application I could say Google Translate. You can translate every single language, but we will try to translate English to Bengali and vice versa. Our next application is ChatGPT. It's a magnificent application. Even you know that it's actually an AI technology. So if you can use for improving your speaking, your writing, then you can use this application because this application will helpful. If you wanna polish your 4 modules for IELTS, then you can actually just explore your listening, speaking, reading, writing. Everything you can explore using this application. Even this application, you can correct your grammatical mistakes or any types of mistakes that you can correct using this application. Parallelly, this application has a stunning and phenomenal feature, like you can talk with this application like a human being. It's like a good speaking partner for you. If you start, even this application will give you advanced and I think more engaging answer. So I think this application will be gonna, oh my god, I can't explain. There is another free application that's name is OpenTalk. It's an Indian application, but if you can explore this application, I think it's another mind-blowing application. Even in this application, I have used nearly 3000 plus minutes. If I just convert this number to hours, it could be 50 hours plus. This application, it had a new feature. You can talk with group of people that known as podcast. So I was talking that podcast huge. I can't explain that how much time I was practicing. This is another application, this known as Hello Talk. In this application you will get native speakers like American speakers, British speakers, even you will get Indian, Chinese, even all over the world. You will get actually a world view in this application. So it is must use for everyone, but it has a time limit. Every day you can freely use 90 minutes, but if you have paid version, then you can explore a lot of features in this application. But I think it's a good application for everyone if you try. There are some similar application like English Buddy, CV, SpeakPal, Real Life. It's the same features like Hello Talk and Open Talk. So you can explore this application. I think that will helpful for your English and you can grow up your speaking to the next level. So you should use this application, and you have to remember, practice makes man perfect and repetition is the mother of skill. So thank you for watching this video. So see you in another video. Goodbye.